you have a problem. And you know what your problem is? You don't appreciate good audio, because if you did, you would have already tried a set of IEMs or own a set of IEMs, in-ear monitors or earbuds for your audio, be it for music, video editing, the way I use IEMs for video editing, because the audio coming out of even your very basic set of IEMs far surpass the audio quality of that coming out of something that is maybe $100, $200, $300 pair of Bluetooth earbuds. Far surpasses AirPod Pros, which seems to be like some kind of industry standard where people just listen to that for casual music or whatever. IEMs, even if you spend like $40 on IEMs, the sound quality is gonna blow it out of the water. The Bluetooth technology in terms of audio transmission and getting those superior higher audio bit rates is just not there compared to going through your standard good quality copper wires. So just to get you started, I'm going to introduce you to these beautiful little earbuds by KeepHIFI. They are the KB02 bone conduction dynamic hybrid earphones. Hybrid how? Well, there's two types of ways you can get audio into your ear: over the air conduction, or there is bone conduction, which this does both. To some degree, it does some kind of bone conduction. The physical technology for bone conduction is not there, but the driver technology is there for bone conduction. So maybe you can just look that up in Google, because I'm not going to get into scientific reasons behind it. So let me get you a little... My throat got dry. Where's my tea? Though they have sponsored this video, know that I will be giving my honest review of this device, because, well, I got to keep it real with you guys. If the device is good and is performing well for the price it costs, right? Because this is your hard money that sometimes it takes a lot of your time in life to pay for little things like this. Maybe it's a big thing if you're not making as much money. So I got to give it to you guys raw, you know? So and that's what I'm going to do. And I let the brands know I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion. And if they don't want to do that, then don't send me the product. Don't sponsor me. I'll see you next year. What do you get in your box? Obviously, you get your two little earbuds. It has a nice polished shine and resin texture or colors that's built into it. Makes it look nice and sparkly. When you kind of just zoom into it, you see all of these cool little colors, iridescent colors. Build structure is plastic, obviously. The actual buds or piece that goes into your ear is a chrome metallic piece. Cool thing is that it comes with 3 sets of 3 different types of ear tips in different colors. You got these clear ear tips, you got some gray with a little bit of a colored orange or red, and then you have solid black. So lots of ear tips. This 3, 6, 9. What? Where's my math? Aside from that, you get yourself this nice braided cable here, which is relatively long. It's about 3.5 feet or so. Connected like any other pair of IEMs with the 2 copper connectors. The top piece of it is like it's a stronger plasticky feeling piece of braided cable so that it keeps its shape, because that's the piece that goes over your ear and you don't want that to kind of lose its shape. There are no inline controls with this particular model. It's not going to go into your modern phones like iPhones or anything that doesn't have a 3.5 audio jack. So you're gonna have to get an adapter. Female 3.5 aux cable to USB-C, and make sure it's a nice, decent, high quality one like this. I've actually had the opportunity to play around and use these for different purposes for about a week or so. I can't say anything bad about the audio quality. It is top tier for whatever the price this comes in, which is pretty cheap for the quality of audio you get out of here. Rich 24-bit audio, and it is really just a pleasure to listen through these particular earbuds. One genre that I really enjoyed listening to with these particular IEMs is rock music. It just gave me a whole new experience listening to music that I've already heard time over and over again. I got to go back to my catalog of rock music and hip hop and just see what that experience is like, because now I'm just like hearing it in a new way, like hearing new things in it. I'm hearing like cymbals that I never heard before, hi-hats now with these earbuds. Wow, okay. What are the cons? Well, the cons of having earbuds like this is that, well, it's wired. You lose the convenience of being wireless, popping it in your ear, connects to your phone, your mobile device, what have you, and you're ready to go. It's got a really good seal, right? So you're gonna get some natural noise rejection or cancellation or just blockage because you're blocking the whole of your ear. One thing you're gonna notice is that those higher crispy frequencies that can tend to get lost altogether with Bluetooth audio transmission is just super clear and pronounced. Those hi-hat cymbals, the ticking of those hi-hats, the vocals project. You can hear more of that vocal audio coming forward. Yes, very pronounced. You can hear that nice singing or just talking. Very clear, awesome clarity, and the bass drivers are also fantastic. You wouldn't think that these little things in here can rumble and cause a elongated bass roll, an 808 drum or something like. This is gonna roll that bass as if it's a big speaker, like an over-the-ear set of headphones. So basically the message is, if you want to feel your music, like really feel it, feel your gaming when you're listening to gaming audio, this is the way to go. I'm interested to know or hear from you guys out there who actually own or have tried IEMs, what you think about the audio quality in comparison to things like any of these pretty much mainstream earbuds that you get on the market, be it Apple, Samsung, Beats, whatever have you. Let me know, and I want you guys to testify and let the audience out there know who may be a little bit skeptical or just maybe,
yeah, it's got a wire, I don't want to.
This is impressive right here. Just saying, for 30-40 bucks. Fantastic. Get yourself a discount code. Links in the description. That's right. Shouts out to the company for providing that little discount code for you guys. Save a little bit of money. Once you get here, you're never going back. It is game over.